the okay so this is the demo of the Twitter simulator that we designed using the Elixir programming language and Phoenix framework. So let me start it. So first of all, in this Twitter system, the user needs to get registered. So this is user 1 2 3 4. Its password is this. Ravi is this. Let me register a couple of user more. User 2, user 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so now I am logging in. Suppose I'm logging in using user 2 and 1 2 3 4. Here also it's user 1 1 2 3 4, the password, and yeah, so we logged in. Here also user 1 and user 2 logged in. You can see that this is the user 2's dashboard, this is the user 1's dashboard. It's a pretty interactive one. And so let me tweet something, say hello world. So user 2 just tweeted hello world, and now let me subscribe user 2 to user 1. So user 2 now follows about whatever tweets that user 2 can tweet. So say hello world UFL. Now in the live feed, user 2's tweet can be seen by user 1. This is good. Suppose I'm logging in here as user 3 and it is 1 2 3 4, the password, and suppose I'm tweeting something like, okay, so let me subscribe. Now user 3 is tweeting DOS is awesome. Now you can see that user 3's tweet, user 1 actually currently subscribes user 2 and user 3, and that user is able to see the tweet. Now I'm logging in for say user 4 2 3 4, and say I'm tweeting that this time Elixir is cool. Okay, sorry, so user 4 needs to be subscribed. Now I'm tweeting that user 4 is cool. So you can see that we are able to see those live feeds over here. Now this guy, he tweets something like India is great. Now his tweet is there in the database, and if I see query my own tweets, so if user 1 queries his own tweet, he can able to see his tweet over this particular space. Now let me give you some demo about the, suppose this particular user actually tweets something about user 5. So first let me log in as user 5, and now you can see user 5's dashboard is actually pretty clean, and now it's saying that USA is awesome @ user 5. Now it tweets about user 5. Now you can see that user 1 actually is not subscribed to user 5, but it's still it is still able to see whatever user 1 tweets about user 5 because of this @ symbol, which is actually prevalent, you know, in our modern Twitter scheme. So yeah, now if it follows this guy, say thank you, now you can see thank you. So suppose now I can log in, say user 10. Okay, let me go serial wise, it will be better. So yeah, now this guy user 6, and it says wow, you can see that, you know. So let me give you some demo about the hashtag, you know. That is something which is nowadays is pretty prevalent. So suppose I'm hashtagging, say USA is awesome, hashtag Trump, it tweets now here. Okay, so and also this guy user 6, so it tweets again USA is awesome. Now if it wants to find out about the hashtags, you can see that, you know, these two guys actually tweeted about hashtag Trump, and now it is showing over here. Suppose this guy, you know, hashtag Trump, sorry, it should be like this, you can see that. And now get my mention, so whatever user actually mentioned about user 5, those things will be shown over here. Nobody mentions about these two guys. Suppose now let me, this is user 6, this is user 5, so let me mention something about this. Okay, so it mentioned something about user 1, and now you can see that USA is awesome @ user 1. So in this particular screen, or in this particular area of the dashboard, we are able to see all the tweets that are about user 1. Now suppose if I logging in, okay, so this is another important feature, logout, so it just logs out. If I say user 8 password, let me subscribe to this guy user 8, I'm tweeting, say again wow. So you can see this user tweeted twice and it is showing in the live feed. Now say like this, you can see those wows, number of wows actually got increased because of this you know, subscription thing. And user 10, so the password will be, yeah, so it's, sorry, it's user 10, and the tweets, thanks man, say @ user 1 hashtag John, yeah, it's there, you know. So if I say get my mentions, so thanks man @ user 1 hashtag John, if I want to find out any tweet about this, so John is there. And likewise, if we were able to log in 100 users, you know, we can able to see all of their tweets at the same time, you know, using this live feed area. Suppose if I log in using user 15, 1 2 3 4, and now if I say that Professor Zare is good hashtag ML. Okay, so let me subscribe. Cool, you can see that Professor Zare is awesome hashtag ML. Yeah, hashtag ML is there. So yeah, So this is our actually a very simple Twitter simulator that we designed using Elixir and Phoenix framework. So thank you, and so this is it.